Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want a clean and modern Shopify store? In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize the Spotlight theme, Shopify's free, minimal, and high converting theme, step by step. So, first of all, go to shopify.com, sign into your account. Once logged in, click Online Store, then Themes. Scroll down and click Explore Free Themes or select the Spotlight, then click Add. Now it's installing. Shopify offers tons hundred of themes. So once installed, just click Customize to begin editing. Spotlight is designed for speed and simplicity, perfect for new stores and mobile shoppers. Add your logo, click on header section, add section or double click on it, then from logo, click theme settings. From here, click select. Now add your logo. From your computer, just click add image and add your logo from here. Click done. Now adjust the logo size like 100 pixel. Go back to header section. You can set it center like that. Enable sticky header, add navigation menus, select menu, then create menu. Then follow the process. Add navigation menus from here. Hero section. Upload high quality banner image. Add heading plus subheading. Insert CTA call to action button. Link to collections or featured products. Featured products or collection. Choose which collection is to feature. Collection is to feature. Select product layout grid or scroll. Adjust the number of products shown. Add brand, story, or offer. Keep it short and benefit focused. Enable newsletter block. Customize headline and placeholder. Go to themes editor from left sidebar. Change background, buttons. Text, recent color, accent color, fonts, choose modern. Readable fonts, use same fonts family for consistency. Adjust font sizes if needed. Stick to 2 to 3 brand colors and 1 to 2 fonts to keep your design clean. Click into a product preview page. Customize product image layout, variant selector, descriptions, style, show, hide, vendor, SKU or availability. Enable trust badges or reviews if apps are connected. Add links to about. Go back to home page. In the footer section, select, sorry, in the footer section, click settings, in the template section, add section, then you can add pages, then enter your page title here. Refund, you can add privacy policy, refund policy, add social media icons, add payment icons. Make sure all legal pages are linked in the footer. It builds trust and is required in many countries. In the theme editor, click the mobile icon at the top. Preview how your site looks on mobile. Adjust padding, spacing, or button size if needed. Then once you are happy with the design, just click save, then click publish. To make Spotlight with your live theme, test your live site on both desktop and phone. Click view your store. Ask a friend or customer to test the UX. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.